Thanksgiving's right around the corner, and I have some great options for free activities or units for you to do. So I'm going to share those with you today. Hi, welcome to Schulte Sweetie's Homeschool YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie, and I'm a mom of 3 girls, ages 13, 9, and 7. So this is a collaboration with my friend CJ, Homeschooling Through High School, and we are both hosting this collaboration with a bunch of other YouTubers it's all things Thanksgiving. So it could be homeschooling, it could be recipes, it could be so many more options. So today I just wanted to talk about some different options for like coloring, unit, activity type things that I have found that are free. My biggest tip is when you are subscribing to all of the the bloggers. So we homeschool. So this would be like, I subscribe to a lot of homeschool bloggers that send out monthly or weekly or bi-weekly emails with different free things. I have found that there are so many free options when you look into those emails. I don't always open them, but I have found some great options, especially for Thanksgiving. I was kind of wanting to do something different, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money because we are going into the holiday season. And so I just wanted to share the free things that I have found. If you haven't ever been to the website Homeschool Share, I definitely recommend you going to that. There are tons of free activities and units, lap books type things that I have found on there. There are so many options. Most of them are free, but like there are some here and there that might cost. So you have to just kind of be a little cautious of that, but most are free. But they have a couple of things that I have found that are free for like Thanksgiving time. So one of them is this Cranberry Thanksgiving. So these are pages to make a lap book. So lap books you usually do in these like file folders. You cut things out, you paste them in. So this is called Cranberry Thanksgiving. So it kind of goes through like different cranberry stuff. So these are the pages that you would like make into like a little book, and you glue it inside of the lap book. So there are so many options in this. I plan to get the book Cranberry Thanksgiving. I will do a screenshot here of Cranberry Thanksgiving. I'm getting it from the library, so we're going to read through that. We've never read through that. I've heard it's pretty popular. So I'm excited to go through this with my girls. I think this will take, maybe one day. So this is not going to take long. Another option that they have there, which I think is a great thing to do, is called the Thankfulness Lap Book. So similar, it's going to be in the file folder. It's got different things like what is thankfulness, I am thankful, showing thankfulness, how you can do that. So you would just cut these things out and put them in your lap book in different places. So these are 2 options from that Homeschool Share. I will link it down below. And there's different printables, there's activities. Not all of them are lap books, but a lot of them are. And they're like kind of like units. The next one I found, this is from Simple Studies, and I have been subscribing to them for a while. I haven't really used a lot of their things, but this I thought was really cute. It's a 5-day gratitude journal, so you could start this like even just this week. There are different things, like there's different prompts here. There's like, it goes day by day, and there's like a journaling prompt, a daily challenge, an art project, and then like it says need ideas, and you can go to this Pinterest link. So it has some links that you can find some easy art things in there. So it has that, and then it has a couple books that it does recommend. So one of them is Count Their Blessings, the Berenstain Bears book. So that is one of the books they recommend reading. And then there's another one in here. There is a little I am grateful for nature, and tells you what to do with this like nature craft. That's day 3. Day 4 is God, I Know You're There. So then you would be reading that book and kind of going through that as well. So this was sent like as a link in Simple Studies email newsletter. So I just got it this week, and I'm excited to go through some of these books and do some of that as well. Next thing that I found, another email newsletter that I found, was the art kit, and one of the things is like a little mini Thanksgiving coloring book, and my girls love to color. So I printed, these are 3 pages, so I'm going to print off another copy for my other daughter who is going to be doing this. I might even print off a copy for my oldest who's in public school because she does like to color as well lately, and I think she would enjoy that as well, especially for a mind break from her schoolwork that she has. So the next one, there's 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 4 or 5 options that I have. This is from the Waldock Way. So I am subscribed to their newsletter, and every month she sends out a newsletter, and it goes through like freebies for the month. And in the email, it lists all the freebies, and you can click right there. She does also have some freebies on her website, and I'm pretty sure this one is on there. So this is the Turkey Unit Study from Waldock Way. And it has like the different books. It has links to the different books that you can do. And then there's QR codes for videos and crafts. There's a writing prompt right here. And then it's just going through all about turkeys. You have life of a turkey. And you have some life cycle. You have, it's just a fun little thing. I think this would be a fun, just like a one or 2 days worth of going through for Thanksgiving, how to draw a turkey. Turkey facts. We have a Venn diagram here, and it has another QR code for watching a video. Turkey investigation, and we have turkey terms. So I think my little animal lovers will like this one. Another, so these were straight from her email that she sends out every month. So if you already subscribed, you should go back and look for this. So she had another like, it's just a Thanksgiving kind of thing. It has gratitude ABCs, there's vocabulary for Thanksgiving, there's some compound word match, all sorts of things. There's, at the end, it has these little plates, and you can kind of color your Thanksgiving, like make even little placemats. That would be cute to like laminate those and put them underneath for eating. So that is one of them. She also had in her email color by number. So this is from Waldock Way still. So these are pretty easy color by numbers, but my girls will still like them. And then she had some bookmark options, and this will be fun. We can laminate those as well. And then dot to dot. So there might have been a few more. I can't remember what all was in there, but so all of these were from Waldock Way in her email about freebies for November. So they might have even been in last month's as well. So those are my things that I have available, probably just for like a week or so. We're gonna do that. So we're not gonna take a ton of time to veer off into Thanksgiving too much, because really I just like to focus on what we're thankful for and really like straight from the heart. And so we're gonna just take a day or two, maybe a couple days to do some of these things. May even have them color some of those things or do the dot to dots even when we're doing some of our other schoolwork. When I'm reading and stuff, they like to keep busy with their hands. So let me know if you have any other things that you have planned. I would love to hear what you're gonna do with your family for Thanksgiving. Don't forget to comment down below and like and subscribe to my channel. And I will have a playlist down below for this collaboration with other YouTubers sharing all the things Thanksgiving. I hope you have a great day.